On the ground in Kazakhstan Saturday, a scorched Soyuz spacecraft, its antenna burned off. The crew, including American Peggy Whitson, had to call recovery teams with a satellite phone after crash landing 300 miles off course and starting a brush fire. What happened?
They were being pointed the wrong direction into the atmosphere. If they'd continued all the way into entry, the flames would have burned through the front end of their cabin and they'd all have died.
Here's why. Rather than entering the atmosphere bottom first with its heat shield, it now appears Soyuz may have begun re-entry nose or hatch first, after the command module failed to disconnect from the service module. It was only after violent aerodynamic forces pulled the spacecraft apart that Soyuz finally corrected its re-entry position. But by then it was falling far steeper and faster than it was supposed to, possibly exposing the crew to a crushing 10 Gs, twice what's normal. They emerged shaken but unhurt, though Whitson is still recovering from 6 months in orbit.
I'm feeling much better every day. It's getting better, so I'll be all right.
But it's the second time in 6 months that Soyuz has failed to separate on re-entry. Last October, another capsule landed 100 miles off course. The question now, is there a design flaw in the Soyuz that is keeping the modules from separating, leading to 2 dangerous re-entries? Today, NASA conceded it is concerned.
It's clearly something that should not have occurred. We don't like to see things repeat on 2 flights.
Solving the mystery is critical since the U.S. space shuttle fleet will be grounded in 2010, leaving only Russian spacecraft to ferry astronauts and cosmonauts to the space station at home. Tom Costello, NBC News, Washington.